Imagine stepping into a world where time slows down. A place where the rustling leaves whisper forgotten stories. Where the scent of lavender dances in the air, and the sound of trickling water soothes your restless soul. This is not just a garden. It is an experience. A sanctuary designed to awaken every sense. Welcome to the art of sensory gardens. A realm where nature becomes poetry, and your backyard transforms into a personal retreat. Today, we unveil mind-blowing ideas that will change the way you see your outdoor space. Ideas so stunning, you won't believe they can exist in your own home. Do not blink. Do not look away, because every second holds a piece of inspiration you don't want to miss. Let's begin. Thank you for watching. If you love beautiful home and garden inspirations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And now, we'd love to hear from you. If you could redesign your home, what's the first thing you would change? Tell us in the comments. Also, let us know, where are you watching from? We're excited to connect with viewers from all over the world. 2. Why sensory gardens? A sanctuary for the senses. A garden is more than just a collection of plants. It is a living, breathing canvas where colors, textures, and scents blend into harmony. But a sensory garden takes it even further. It invites you to see, touch, hear, smell, and even taste the wonders of nature. The soft petals of jasmine beneath your fingertips, the crisp scent of rosemary filling the air, the gentle sound of wind chimes swaying with the breeze. It is a symphony of sensations, crafted to bring peace, joy, and inspiration. For children, it becomes a playground of discovery. For the elderly, a haven of comfort. And for you, a place to escape, recharge, and dream. Now, let's explore the most enchanting ideas to bring this magic into your own backyard. Three mind-blowing sensory garden ideas. The Tranquility Spot, where water whispers. Water, the element of serenity, a gentle stream flowing over smooth river stones. A miniature waterfall cascading into a crystal-clear pond. The sound is hypnotic. It slows your heartbeat. It quiets the noise of the world. Place a wooden bench beside it. Let the melody of water lull you into deep relaxation. Add floating lilies, koi fish gliding beneath the surface, and lanterns that glow softly as the evening sets in. This is where you breathe. This is where you find peace. The Aromatherapy Haven, a symphony of scents. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Can you smell it? The earthy freshness of mint, the floral embrace of lavender, the citrusy burst of lemongrass. Aromatherapy is not just for spas. It belongs in your garden, lining pathways, surrounding your favorite chair, growing in beautiful ceramic pots, waiting for you to brush against their leaves and release their fragrance. At night, the scent lingers in the cool air. Under the stars, it becomes a lullaby. The Multi-Texture Walkway, a path of discovery. Take off your shoes. Feel the coolness of smooth pebbles beneath your feet. Step onto soft moss, like a velvet carpet. Move to rustic wooden planks, warm from the afternoon sun. Then onto rough stone, grounding you to the earth. A sensory garden is meant to be experienced, not just seen, but felt. Every step is a journey. Every surface tells a story. Create a winding path through your garden, one that invites you to wander, explore, and lose yourself in the textures of nature. The edible sensory garden. Taste the magic. Imagine plucking a ripe strawberry, sun-kissed and sweet, crushing fresh basil between your fingers, its aroma bursting to life. Biting into a cherry tomato, its juiciness surprising you with every bite. An edible sensory garden is a feast for both the eyes and the soul. Herbs, fruits, and edible flowers intertwined with ornamental plants. Beauty and functionality, growing side by side. Place a small wooden table beneath a trellis of grapevines. Let it be a space for tea in the morning, for candlelit dinners at dusk, for moments of pure, simple joy. The night glow garden, a dream after dark. When the sun sets, the garden awakens in a different way. Soft LED lights hidden beneath ferns and bushes. Pathways lined with glowing stones. Fireflies dancing in the air, blending with the golden flicker of lanterns. Some plants even glow on their own. Bioluminescent mushrooms, night-blooming jasmine, silver-frosted foliage catching the moonlight. This is not just a garden. It is a wonderland, a secret waiting to be uncovered in the depths of the night. Bonus idea: the secret hidden garden. Not every garden should reveal its beauty at first glance. Some places are meant to be discovered, to be stumbled upon like a forgotten dream. Imagine a hidden corner, tucked away behind a curtain of cascading vines. A secluded retreat, untouched by the outside world. A wooden archway, entwined with wisteria. A narrow path, dappled with sunlight filtering through the leaves. And beyond it, a space just for you. Here, a vintage bench waits beneath a canopy of trailing jasmine. A soft cushion rests beside a stack of books, whispering invitations to stay a little longer. The scent of wild roses lingers in the air, blending with the faint aroma of aged wood and earth. Perhaps a small fountain murmurs in the background, or a wind chime sings softly in the breeze. Time slows here, thoughts become lighter, and the world outside fades into the distance. A secret garden is not just a place. It is a feeling, a sanctuary for moments of solitude, reflection, and quiet joy. And now, we have reached the final chapter of this journey. Five, bring your vision to life. Now, close your eyes. Picture the sensory garden of your dreams. Can you see it? Can you feel it? The gentle caress of a warm breeze, the delicate scent of lavender swaying in the air, the soft rustle of leaves as nature hums its quiet melody. These are not just ideas. They are possibilities, inspirations waiting to be brought to life in your very own home. So tell me, which of these mind-blowing ideas captured your heart the most? Which one will you create? Leave a comment below. Let's bring these dreams into reality together. And if you love what you see, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more breathtaking home and garden inspirations. And ring the bell so you never miss the magic. Your perfect sanctuary is just one idea away. Now, go, create, and let nature embrace you in its endless wonder.